Hello friend, this is Sonam. Today in this Power Automate video tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a Teams meeting using a flow. So here is the preview of the flow that I have created, where we are going to create an instant cloud flow. Within that we will add another action, that is to create a team meeting. So under the Microsoft Teams connector, and that's it. In this way we can create a Teams meeting using the Power Automate flow. So let's see from the beginning. So here we will first log in our Microsoft tenant address with in the office.com, and then it will ask to sign in. So click on sign in, and here we will provide our Microsoft tenant address and click on next, then sign in. Okay, now the office page will be open like this, Microsoft 365. And but to create the flow we need to open the Power Automate. So we can find inside the app launcher, go to that menu, and then here we can find all the application that integrated with the Microsoft 365. Here you can find the application Power Automate. Click on the ellipses and go to open in new tab, and it will open in new tab. Otherwise you can go to that all apps. If you are not finding that Power Automate here, you can go to that all apps section, and here you can find the application, all the application that you have integrated with the Microsoft 365 as per your license. So next go to that Power Automate, and to create this flow click on the create. And as we are going to create an instant cloud flow, so click here instant cloud flow and manually trigger a flow. So here we just create a flow. The flow will trigger when we will manually trigger. That means here select the manually trigger a flow. That means we will trigger a flow manually. So before that give the flow name. Suppose I am giving create Teams meeting using flow, and that's it. And click on select the manual trigger flow trigger, and without trigger we can't create a flow. So first we need to select the trigger and click on create, and now the trigger is added to our flow. And now we can add the next step. So in the next steps, we will add, as we are going to create the Teams meeting. So within the Microsoft Teams, the connector is our Microsoft Teams. So select Microsoft Teams. Yeah, here you can get that. Yeah, this one Microsoft Teams. Select the Microsoft Teams, and there is the various types of action you can find that comes under the Microsoft Teams connector. And from here select create a Teams meeting, and that's it only. And these are the coming with the asterisk symbol. That means this is the mandatory field and we need to insert the data. Let's configure it. Select and calendar. You can insert any calendar ID. So for now the default calendar ID is the calendar, and subject is, I am giving any subject name. Suppose I am giving the subject name is meeting, a monthly meeting. So I am giving, okay, just close it, weekly meeting with Teams. Okay, so giving the message, we can give some message also, please be available on the provided time. Okay, so here we can give the time zones. For now I am giving the time zones is UTC. Yeah, UTC, and or you can select any time zones as per your requirement. I am giving the universal time zone, so UTC, and the start times would be the expression. So I am giving the current time. Start time will be the current time. Click on expression, hide this one, UTC. Now click on OK, and the end time, the meeting end time will be the expression. It will be take 1 hour or 2 hour, how many hours you want you can add with the expression. So I'm giving, okay, I'm giving the start time, so add hours, UTC. Now 1 hour, after 1 hour the meeting will be start. And similarly here I'm giving the meeting will end after the 2 hours of the current time. So for that only, that means the meeting will take 1 hour only. Okay, so add hours, or you can add minute also. If you want to, the meeting will be going only for the 50 minutes, you can add minutes. So for now I'm going to add hours only, because basically we are going to add meeting. We will scheduling a meeting for the 1 hour, so for this only add hours UTC now, and now that's it. So we fill all the fields. So for this attendees required, we can suggest some people name, like I'm giving myself also, and these are my test users. So for the testing purpose I am using that one user. You can assign any people name or insert any people name from your group, and no optional attendees. So I am going to take 3 people only and click on save. Once it will save, and it will recommending to test it, and your flow is ready to go, as there is no error. So it is coming as the green color notification with a tick mark. Click on test and test it manually, and click on test again, and then it will check. Yeah, now click on run flow again, and done. Yeah, it's immediately showing your flow ran successfully. That means yeah, now we can see in the Teams there is a meeting is scheduled after the 1 hour of the current time. So here I just open my Teams, and you can see in the calendar section. In the calendar section we can find that a meeting is created in the Teams. Let's expand this one, or we can hover this. This will showing us the timing, as the current time is 5:10. So it is showing us the 5:69 p.m. and to 7:09 p.m. Okay, so let's see. Once I click here, we can copy this link and send it to anyone to join this meeting and weekly meeting with the Teams, and it is showing us all the details. And here it is showing the organizer who organized the meetings. And let's expand this one also. We will see all the details here. Please be available, that message is there. And here is the all the persons that we have just assigned. And once we click on the join, we can join the Teams meeting directly. This is how we can create a Teams meeting using a flow. I hope guys you like this video tutorial. And before this video tutorial, recently I have just uploaded another video. You can get ideas about that, how to create an approval request from the Microsoft Teams itself, and how to add these approval applications to the Teams, so that we can send approval and get approbation from our HRs, managers, and some seniors and the group members as well as. So recommend you to watch this video to get more ideas about the Power Automate, how to use the Power Automate flow within the Microsoft Teams. So if you like this video tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more free videos tutorials on SharePoint Online and Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Python, Machine Learning, and many more. And share as much as you can, so that your friend will get ideas how to use Power Automate flow. Thank you so much for your watching. Bye.